So I'm just gonna play, watching I go away, doctor play, watching I go away, doctor play, watching I go away.
Alright guys, I was just stopping to let y'all know, like, see right here, this is where we getting our blackberries from for the batch that we gonna make on the channel. Like I told y'all, I drive trucks, so I be on the road and everything. This whole thing is a blackberry bush or whatever. So we getting this from out of the Washington area. And when I say there's a whole bunch of blackberries on the side of the road, there's a whole lot, buku of them, buku blackberries. But once again, like I said, I just wanted to show y'all, so when I get ready to do this blackberry wine, y'all can see where I got it from, straight from nature. All right, holla back at y'all. What's up guys, welcome back. Well, I got a good one for y'all today. This one comes from off the side of the road. The story with that is I was up west. No, not that one. No, not that one. No, not that one either.
Don't be hating.
Talking about the Pacific Northwest. I was up there traveling to drop a load off, me and my co-driver. We get all the way to Washington, and I happen to notice that entering into Washington, that there are a lot of berries on the side of the road. I wasn't too sure about what kind of berries they were, because I just was passing by, like I said, trying to get to this drop to let our load off, and out of the blue the truck catches a flat tire. So I guess you can call this kind of ironic, to give me a chance to see exactly what was going on with these berries. But hey, I went ahead and got out, checked the tire, make sure everything was okay, called for help to see about them coming put a new tire on the truck. But in the meantime, when they told me it was going to take about 90 minutes to get to me, I was like, well, let me see what these berries are. I did not know that Washington, this time of the year, which is I would say probably early August, late July, that there would be a whole bunch of blackberries, I mean blackberry bushes, along the side of the highway. I mean, guys, is a whole buku of these blackberries sitting on the side of the highway. Because as I got out to get a look, I know it had to be a different kind of blackberry used, well, different from the ones that we get back down here in Louisiana. Man, I was tripped out. I was like, this is a lot of blackberries. Everywhere you look, by stores, by like businesses, like everywhere. Even the place that we wind up going to, they had two big old blackberry bushes in front the drop. So I took the time out, like I said, got a bag that I had, actually the bag that you see in front me, because I keep gallon Ziplocs on me just in case I run into some wild fruits that I know and I can pick while I'm on the road. And I just went ahead and started scavenging. I hit the bushes up. Wish I had a little bit more time, but I also was watching for snakes and different things like that. But I wind up getting like 3 pounds. So this is a shout out to the Pacific Northwest. Thank you guys for your abundance of blackberries, especially this time of year. So I would like to dedicate this to you guys up northwest. How to make wild Pacific Northwest blackberry wine. So right in front of us, what we'll be using today will be 3 pounds of the wild blackberries that I picked. We have 1.5 pounds of white sugar. We have 1/2 pound of brown sugar. We have our gallon of water. We have our lemon, and we're going to be using the juice from this one lemon. We're also going to be using a pack of great value black tea, and our equipment as far as what we're going to be putting this juice into will be our 1 gallon carboy back here with our airlock and our bung. Guys, I know it's been like a few videos. I probably haven't even mentioned what this is, but this is a bung. And a lot of people might ask, it's like he keeps saying seal, what you sealing it with? Well, that's what I'm talking about sealing with. You take your airlock, stick it up in here, up in this rubber bung, and this is what seals off your gallon carboy. And also to measure our alcohol in our must slash juice, whatever you want to say, is the hydrometer that we have before us. And like I told you guys once before, as we go through these videos, it will be getting shorter. I give you a little backstory of what I'm doing and getting done, and we go get right to the point. So guys, welcome to this video. I hope you enjoy, and let's make this wine. Later.
Don't be hating.